Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to implement Chart.js in your projects. So first of all, I have created a simple HTML file and this is the file I am running it on browser. And if you go to Chart.js and you go to get started, here you will find the CDN link. We'll copy this and we'll have our HTML. Here we'll have our script, and make sure you have your Chart.js implementation script just after the CDN. Okay, otherwise it won't be working. So now here you will have a div, or let's say we'll have a canvas, and in this canvas we'll have our chart, right? So here we'll be having var, let's say a variable c equals document dot get element by id. Will give our id of our canvas. Okay, so here we'll have our canvas id, and here get context. We'll be having a 2D graph. Okay, so var, let's say m equals new chart. This is the, we are actually implementing the chart over here. Okay, so and this will be displayed in our canvas c. So c is the variable where we are storing this canvas element. Okay, so whatever is done in this chart, within this chart, will be displayed in this get element by id canvas. So c, and we'll be having this is the place we'll be having our type, what kind of chart you want. Okay, so let's say we will have a bar chart, or if you want we can have a line chart, whatever. So here type is line, and data will be having the data. Okay, so data will be having labels. Labels will be a list of array, or array we will have all. So let's say we'll have banana, pineapple, let's say apple, and let's say papaya and grapes. Okay, so these are the fruits, and we will display the chart according to the popularity of the people, means which fruit people like. Let's say we'll have the data of that. Okay, so data sets, so we'll have data sets, and this here we'll have our labels. Make sure this is the main label which will be displayed, like we will have the pop actually this label actually displays the title. Okay, so let's say popularity of fruits. Okay, and we'll be having our data. So here we'll be having our data. So we'll be having, let's say banana, let's say many people like banana, so A7, and let's say pineapple 8, let's say apple will give 6, let's say papaya will have 3, and let's say grapes will have 9. Okay, so this is a dummy data we are providing. We can also get sometimes by API calls and all those things if the project requires such things. So here we'll have this label data. Now we'll be having, let's say, a background color. Which color of, and we'll be having a background color. So let me go to this material palette and let me grab a color from here. Let's say this yellow color, and this one. Let me grab this color and let me come here and I'll paste this. So I have the color. Okay, now make sure, now one more thing we have to add, this is options. Okay, well, here you can give the scaling of x and y axis, so I'll show that maybe later, but for now let's save this and we come here, and if you see we have our graph. Okay, I'll reduce the size of this. So let's say I'll have a why, let's just remove this, or let's say we have this in pixels and pixels. Let's see whether this works or not. Okay, this is not working. Okay, so basically I'll have to provide it within a div and close the div, and I'll give this an ID of, let's say, A1. Okay, and here in the head section I'll give a style. Oh boy, style, and here I'll give a hash A1, and I'll give a width of, let's say, 500 pixels and a height of, let's say, 400 pixels. So now let's see, and you can see we have our this. In a similar manner you can also have pie charts and other things. I'll show you one more. Okay, let's copy this, and actually let's copy. Okay, now let's just paste this here, and we'll be having here, let's say, canvas 1, and I'll copy this same thing. Basically we'll be having one more, so, and this I'll give it, let's say we'll have the second one, so C1 canvas 1 and here and M1. Okay, so we will have one more, and here I'll give it, let's say, polar area, and we'll give this background color. Let's say we'll have an array of colors. Okay, because we'll have so many now. Let's say we have 5, right? So 3, 4 and 5. So let's select the colors. So let's say we'll have this purple color, so grab this color, go here, paste it here, again come back, grab this color, and come here and paste here, and again go there, grab this color, go here and come here and paste here. Again let's grab one more color, let's say this green, grab this color, go here and paste here, and we are done. Now if you come and we have this, you can see we have this, and this is an interactive chart from Chart.js. You can see it if you hover, this gives, if even here, if you hover here, you can see, okay, the points. And so in this way we can have more charts. Actually you can have a bar chart as well. So let's show one more lastly, how does that look, and we'll give this, let's say, 2, and we'll be copying last time one more here, and this will be 2, 2, this 2, and this 2, and this will be bar chart. So let's now refresh, and you see we have a bar chart. Okay, we can scale this also using this options portion, but I'll show that in a later video. For now, this much. Thanks for watching.